Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to fix a van68 error 2xKO. So guys, if this ever happened to you, I'll show you multiple solutions. So for the first one is you might need to restart your connection. So just simply go to the network over here, down below, right click on it, and then go ahead and go for the network and internet settings. Now over here, you would go for advanced network settings. Here, you could just simply select disable over here, guys, and just simply select enable, and mostly this can fix your issue. Now, if it doesn't, what you could try to do as well is reinstalling the Vanguard. So you could do that by just simply going for the run onto your start menu and just simply search for percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. And now over here, you could just simply go for the Riot Games and right click on it, and you could just simply delete it. Now, once you have delete that, you could just simply go back to your settings and you could just simply go for the apps, install the apps, and you could just simply try to utilize the search bar over here and search for the Riot Vanguard and just simply click on these three dots and uninstall it. So guys, when you run your Riot account and log in into your account, automatically it will reinstall the Vanguard and mostly it will fix your issue. Now guys, if it doesn't, another solution is you could just simply go ahead and go for the services. And then now over here, you could just simply go for the VGC and just simply right click on it and then go ahead and go for the properties. And here on the properties, make sure the startup type is on automatic. And now just make sure to click on start if it's not running on the service status, and click on apply and OK, and just simply right click on it and just simply select restart, and mostly this can fix your issue. Now another option and the last option is right click on your task menu. Now the last option is go for the task manager, and then over here go for the startup apps. And now over here you could just simply go for the Riot client services and make sure this is enabled, guys, and just simply go for the VJ tray as well and make sure that this is enabled. And now once you have done all of that, the final solution is you could just simply restart your computer, and after that, if you're on the Riot, automatically you should be able to fix the issue.